In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Claude is disabled error. If you see the message Claude is disabled inside Claude AI, it usually means your access is being limited by your account, your region, or your network settings rather than a random glitch. Let's walk through reliable fixes step by step, and I'll explain why each one matters so you don't waste time. Start by confirming your account is in good standing. Make sure it's fully verified, including any required email or phone checks. Log out, then log back in, and stick with the same sign-in method you used before, whether that's a provider login or a direct email login. A fresh session often clears stale authorization issues. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy. Claude may restrict access when it detects unusual or shifting locations. Disable the VPN, refresh the page, and test again. If that doesn't help, switch networks. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Avoid school or workplace networks, which often block AI tools or certain ports. Clear your browser cache and cookies to remove a broken session. In Google Chrome, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete, select cookies and cached files, then choose Clear Data. Restart the browser and try again. Try a different browser or device, or open a private or incognito window. Chrome, Edge, and Firefox all work well. This isolates the issue in case an extension or an old profile is interfering. Confirm that Claude is available in your region. Claude isn't supported everywhere, and access from a restricted area can trigger this message. Use a supported location and ensure your account region is eligible. Sometimes nothing is wrong on your end. Temporary server limits, rate limits, or maintenance can cause this error. Wait 10 to 30 minutes, then retry. If you suspect your account was flagged, suspended, or otherwise limited, you'll need to contact Anthropic support to review it. As a last resort, visit the official Claude or Anthropic support page. Include the exact error message and a screenshot, plus any recent changes you made to your network or browser. The more precise your report, the faster the team can help. For a quick path, try these in order. Turn off your VPN, switch networks, clear cache and cookies, log out and back in, try another browser, then wait and retry. One of these almost always resolves the Claude is disabled message.